Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. EdTech Tutor Talk. This video lesson will be covering Quizlet for a teacher. So Quizlet.com will allow you to create study sets for any subject that you're teaching. So we can have a free trial for 30 days. Once our trial expires, then it's $45 a year, which is a good deal to create study sets that your students can access for your classroom and your school. So I'm on Quizlet.com. I'm on the home page. So I'm going to create a study set for any subject you're teaching. So click Start Now. Enter the words and concepts your student need to study in minutes. So any subject or any topic, they can take it anywhere on iOS, Android devices. So create a study set. So we're going to create our title. So our class name and description. And then we can add our terms and definitions down below. So we're going to say computer IS 101, Information Systems 101, Computer Parts Terms. Okay, so we can come down here, we choose the term and definition, and we can add an image, which is really cool. So we're going to add a term. So random access memory. So copy and paste. So actually, we don't have to have this Wikipedia definitions. It knows all the terminology. So we're building our study sets. So temporary memory located, computer location where instructions are stored. So we can choose one of the. So click one of these, and then add an image. So it knows what image we want to use. So we select one. So there's already a database and resources for you to already input. So let's do motherboard. Okay. So a lot of terminology is already created with our terms, but we can copy and paste from our resources. So circuit board that contains all our, so motherboard. So this is really cool. It already has what we want to input. Hard disk drive. Okay. And then we do CPU, central processing unit, add an image, and then we don't need this term, we just throw it in the trash. Click create. So add to class, computer basics, yep. So we have creates our flashcards. So we have information systems. So we can click on temporary, so click to see the term. Oh, I went too fast. So we see this image and definition. We click and it flips to RAM. We use the arrow. Circuit board contains all computer mains. Flip, it's the motherboard. So it gives us the definition and we have to figure out the terminology. So this is hard disk drive. So central processing unit. Oh, we can zoom in on it if we want. Nice work, start over. Okay. So we have flashcards. So we can, it's matches, so choose a matching term. So it already creates our flashcards, our tests are matching for us automatically. So what is the matching term for this one? Oh, it's hard disk drive. Incorrect. Incorrect. So I believe I have to get all these correct before I'm finished. There you go. Okay. So now there's a fill in the blank. Okay. So the answer was random access memory. Central processing unit. Okay. So this is the student's view. Hard. So yeah, different ways for students to learn. So we created a quick Quizlet with our cards. Okay. And you can see our achievements, our current streak, our classes. So it has a study set. So that's free. So again, we have flashcards, learn, write, and just spelling, matching. So that's a really good exercise, quick and easy way to quiz students. So when they log into your section and your classroom and your school, they have different flashcards they can learn from with terms and definitions, and you can add images. So they could, again, test themselves in different learning modalities as far as just typing in the definition, typing in a term, matching the term. So they review the flashcards first, and they practice with learning and matching and spelling and different ways to quickly gather information. So you can create as many cards as you want and as many flash sets as you want.